we have an unboxing. Not one, but three boxes. Let's see what's new in Chanel, their spring summer collection 2026. So Mathieu Blazy has everyone in a chokehold, including me, that he is getting all of the girls to spend their money. Now, since after Mathieu Blazy took over Chanel as their fashion director, I am telling you that we have seen a huge spring and turnaround in terms of sales. Their sales are going skyrocketing. It's up. Their pieces, when they launch, is selling out like hot cakes. And right now is like having to make an appointment at Chanel if you want any of their pieces like Hermes. Is Chanel really becoming like Hermes? Are they slowly pivoting into that line? Let's talk about it. So today's video will be an unboxing. If you haven't already seen my experience when I went into the Chanel store, I will link it here on the screen here. It wasn't a great experience, and you could go ahead and look at that video I loved was discussed, and you could see there. Anyway, luxury shopping haul, you could go ahead and check that out. But today's video will be all of the things that I bought from Chanel recently that I absolutely love and divine obsessed about. And a lot of the pieces that I actually went in their new launch has already sold out. Now they're getting their new pieces, I think, on the 3rd of May, the 5th of May. And people are already putting in their appointments to book and early to get it earlier. And if you're walking in to see what this going to have to buy, honey, you will be out of luck because it will be sold out by the time you go there. Now, let me tell you something. Chanel don't sponsor anybody. So if you see the girls doing unboxing on the TikTok, YouTube, everywhere with Mathieu Blazy, their new shoes on outline, the girls are spending their money. Okay, because we see what we like and we like what we see, and we purchase what we like and we purchase what we love. And without no doubt about it, this guy have everybody, including me and celebrities, in a matter chokehold. Now, if you're new here, I know I'm rumbling now, but if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and comment, like, share this video with your friends and loved ones, and let's get into it. Let's start off with box number one. We're going to do the small box at the moment. So I got 3 pieces from Chanel. Of course, it's coming up today. It's the spring summertime. We're in spring, heading into summer really soon. The girls are going on holiday, and we need some pieces to look fly for our Euro summer trip. Okay, like, girl, we need to look fly. Box number 1. I'm sure you can actually tell what's in here already by the look of it. If you guys haven't known, I did a Chanel unboxing, I think 2 falls back, which I'm going to link on the screen here, where I purchased some sunglasses from Chanel that was worth like £1,000, and I had to return it. Like, I had to bring it back to fix like 3 occasions, and then in the end I had to return it, and they end up refunding me back my money because it was faulty. It had like factory fault. So, and they discontinued selling that product, that style. So I went into Chanel and got myself another pair of their sunglasses because, oh my god, the girl is obsessed with Chanel. Chanel and Hermes is my favorite, absolute favorite when it comes to design. Chanel and Hermes, I would spend my money there any day or day every day. And of course, you know, it comes with all the booklet and all of that, but who cares? Okay, you get a Chanel pouch, which is magnetic. Some of you guys know, some of you guys don't know. I don't know if you guys care about it, but let's talk about this. Now, I saw these sunglasses. Actually, this sunglasses is from last year collection, but I was so lucky to have it, and I got this in a contrast color with the brown and the black. Now I'm going to put a slide video on the screen here where I tried on in the store, and what I was wearing, it was eating with this. So let's see if it actually eats with my outfit right now. I did want to sew initially to get the black and the white because a lot of my spring summer pieces I surrounded within the the old Chanel summer vibes with the contrast, black and white, and I love the idea of that. Of course, I'm gonna have colors within my collection, but a lot of this stuff that I got was from my Euro summer, and some other things I got for my Caribbean holidays. Anyways, who cares? So your girl is brand new. I got it. She is a gem. I really love that beige with the black there, with the Chanel logo there. The lens is black. In stores, when I tried it on, the lens was kind of like a hint of brown type of yellow. I'm not too sure if because of the light that causes that. But looking at it forward, it do have like how do you call it, like a contrast, like a faded contrast, like below it's kind of giving like a light brown and the top is like black. But let's see how it is. Oh, this is tight. Girl! Ooh! She is a vibe. She looks... Talk to me nice. Hello, I'm wearing Chanel. Like... Excuse you? Damn, girl, she is a vibe. I did try to get this in the black with the white. I am super duper happy that I didn't got it in the black and white. I'm gonna try and clean this because I does use with my makeup. I'm happy I didn't got it in the black and white and I actually got it in this brown and the black, because when I actually did not know they come in the brown and the black. I only saw on the website the black and the white and it was saying that it's sold out. I'm gonna put the price on the screen, how much I paid for it, so you guys have an idea. Whoever wants it could go ahead and check that out in the store if you want to purchase that. I do gotta say though about this sunglasses is divine. It's polarized as well. I really love it, but your fingerprints get everywhere on these sunglasses, and I'm actually happy that I got this in the brown, the black, and the tan, because I wear this color religiously. So this not only going to work well for the summertime, summertime, it's actually going to work perfect for the fall time. And your girl got outfits and jackets to actually wear and style this with. Like, amazing. Absolutely love her. Divine. I love Chanel sunglasses, not all of them, but most of them. They did have a few of their launches, the new launches I didn't like, not my favorite, but yeah. Anyways, bag number 2. Now this one here, according to the Sales Associate, came out. This was a pre-launch. This was a spring summer pre-launched, and what initially I went in to get, I didn't get it because, of course, again, the girls buy it out as soon as it launched. Do y'all be checking Chanel every single day, or y'all checking the website so as soon as they send something, like, y'all go and buy it? Like this, she told me as soon as this launched, she sold it like hot bread and butter. Like, you can't find it nowhere in the UK, nowhere in Europe, nowhere around the world. What's happening? Like, and why am I always late? I don't know. I'm not, like, I don't know. Anyways, I went into Chanel to check what initially I wanted was a heeled version. When she told me it was sold, I was literally heartbroken. So I was like, and I had in my head, if I didn't get the heel, I'm going to get the flat, because either way, if I get the flat, it's perfect. I'm going to wear it much more. If I get the heel, it's like, oh my God, I don't know what I'm going to do. Girl, oh my God, look at her. So divine. Oh my God. So I got myself the Chanel, they call this the Slingback. So they have the same version with the strap at the front and the back, and they call it the sandals. This here, they call it the Slingback. And I love it, guys. It's so, guys, look at that. It's so cute, that contrast. And if you watch my haul's back, I'm going to show you how I style each item in this video. This is not going to only be an unboxing. This is going to actually be a styling haul as well. Oh my God, I got this in a size 38. This was literally I was so lucky. This was the last pair. Literally the last pair. I went to the shoe section. There was a 37.5. They didn't have it. I went downstairs. They didn't have it. She was like, let me double check. she ended up getting it on a woman's section in Harrods, which was the absolutely last pair. She was like, oh my god, you're so lucky, because she checked Bond Street, they didn't have it. She checked Solon Square, they didn't have it anywhere. And I was so lucky, because she said, if anything, you have to go Paris. I was like, Paris? Baby Paris for some shoes? Who does that? I was so lucky, because guys, this is so divine. I really love it. I love the simplicity of the buckle there. You don't have the CC logo there, and it's very hard to detect the CC logo on the point part of the shoes. Very much understated, but it's much just show off the design of the shoes. I absolutely love. It comes slightly heeled, and the heel, I love that touch of detail there with the CC. Absolutely divine. Now they do have the same in the slingback, which I'm gonna try and put an overhead picture or video where I try on, and they call it the sandal for some reason. They have the curved version as well in black and white, but she said apparently the pointed version is selling out the most than the round one, and sell out quicker than all the others. Initially I did want the heels in it, but she told me that's sold out. You can't find that nowhere, not in Europe, not in the UK. You can't find that nowhere. She said as soon as it launched, it went like hot bread and butter, because she said Chanel do not usually do pointed shoes, pointed heel, or anything pointed. So when they did have it, when they did launch it, it just went out. When I checked all the other shoes that Matteo Blasi launched as well this year, she said they all sold out as well, because people just loving his design. For some reason, people is absolutely choked up on his design. Now, if you're looking at the correlation to my previous videos, my hauls, fashion hauls, unboxing spring, and this video, you recognize there is a pattern, and with the shoes we got something to match. And here we have a bag. Yes, we have a Chanel bag in the Chanel color, right? And you know Chanel's team color is black and white. We got the sunnies in a color slightly, it wasn't white, they didn't have it, was sold out. But guess what I got, guys? Guess what I got? If you guys don't know, I'm a Chanel fanatic, and I know I talk too much. I need to be quiet now. Oh my god, guys, I was dying to have my hands on this. Can you believe it? I was so lucky that day that the gods were smiling on me to get these pieces, because all of these, guys, this is the last one. This was the last one in stores, in stock, and I was so lucky to get my hands on this bag. Oh my god. Now with each bag with Chanel, it changes for some reason. So with every Chanel bag, the package change. It changed all the time. I got myself, oh my god, as you guys could see, the contrast, the black. Absolutely divine. I love the black tape there. I'm screaming to my notes. So I got myself the walk bag from Chanel and the black with the white contrast. Initially, I did wanted the white with the black contrast. This comes in lamb's leather. They don't do it in caviar. As you guys know, caviar is my favorite kind and type of leather, green leather. I'm obsessed with it. But she gave me a word of advice. She said, it's up to you. I'm just going to let you know, but it's up to you. You can do as you wish. She said, for one, the white with the black contrast you could only get at the airport. It's in Heathrow Airport, so if you want it, you gotta go there to get it. And she says, for two, if you buy a white bag for Chanel, she will recommend not to, because she said it's very, very extremely difficult to carry, no matter if it's lamb leather or calf leather, because the white can pick up dirt very easily. She says not necessarily the clothes that you wear, if you wear a colored clothes or whatever. She said just the fact that you're out and about in air, in the dust, or your hands, whatever, you're not washing it 24/7, you're touching the bag constantly, so the oil of your hand, whatever it is, mixed onto the fabric, and over a period of time the bag turns yellow, and it's very difficult to get it clean, and you have to send it back to Chanel to get it clean, and it will cost you. Now, she was a real one for saying that and doing that, because usually the girlies, they don't do that. They don't care. All they care about is making you commission. So I love her for that. And in my head, I was like, girl, you don't know what you just did. I'm gonna always call you and use you whenever I'm coming to Chanel to buy anything, because you don't understand what you did. And I really loved that about her, that she did that. So I end up choosing the black because I was like, her advice is very sound, and if I'm spending that much money on something, it's better to make a proper investment, a greater investment, rather than making a stupid one and regretting it years down the line. So it do comes with a chain. The chain is like in the black, and she told me that I could wear it double way. You can see like the sticker is still on there. I love the logo there in the white, that white contrast. Is the, as I said, the walk bag is very, it could hold a bit, it could hold much. It cannot hold too much, but it could hold quite a bit. It opens up a lot more than my other Chanel walk bag that I have, which I'm going to do a slight comparison. One moment. This is my other walk bag I have. As you can see, it's totally different. I think this was a very much first launch of their walk bag, and this one is much more in a caviar leather that I absolutely love. And this one is much more of a purse, feels much more of a purse than this one. I'm going to show you why. This has room, has space, but it doesn't have that much space. As you can see, it doesn't open out as much as the other one. And I really love the hint of burgundy in there. And they discontinued this collection. They don't make it anymore. And the one, I got this one in black and white, which is slightly bigger, definitely. Ooh, and also wider in size. So as you can see here, that's a better demonstration. You can see it actually kind of coming off slightly as a mini classic flap. So it has much more room, and it could hold a lot more. And I believe because it's much wider and longer. The strap, you could definitely double here with the strap, so you could pull it in there. Because I don't wear any of my bag as a crossbody, rather than with this one, you cannot do that, because it have like this bridging gaps there, so you could only hold it like this, and in order for you to double it, you have to kind of flap it in two. Now if you ask me, as you can see, the gold in this is much more of a yellow gold. This is much more of a champagne type of gold. All in all, I love both bags. This is much lighter. This is less lighter. Anyways, I'm gonna do a separate video on the board, but you guys get the gist of this bag. This comes in a caviar leather, and I have like the pockets in a bag that you got attached for lip gloss or a card there. I really love this. Like, it actually goes so well with everything, even the shoes. Perfect for the spring summertime, and I have so much ways to style it, like endless outfits to style them. Oh my god, absolutely obsessed. Guys, so this is the end of the video. Let me know which one is your favorite. I really appreciate you guys hyping this video, thumbs up, commenting, sharing. I really do appreciate it. It pushed my channel out there, and it encouraged me to do more videos and make more videos like this for you guys. So you doing that can help a lot more than you think. So without further ado, I will see you on next week's video. Thank you so much for watching, if you watched all the way to the end, and if you're a returning subscriber, I really do appreciate you guys. And if you're new here, again, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, thumbs up, put on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload, and I will see you guys on my next luxury unboxing. Until further ado, bye from your favorite fashion enthusiast, style educator, and luxury addict, Katie Lux. Bye.